Darrington.com here if you're new to the channel. I am Lambro Steve. Today, this is a really good day. It's a good day. Yesterday, at about noon, I picked up evil Murcielago from the airport. And we had lunch, hung out. He's back. He's been in Guam for a month and a half. So I'm excited to get rolling and hang out and shooting some video with him. And today, I'm supposed to be meeting him at White Glove Auto. Insert White Glove Auto website. My homies. But I get here and I'm like, where are you? And he's like, I'm hanging out with my friends on the side of the highway. I'm like, are your friends police? And he, yeah, they might be. So as he got pulled over to high rate of speed, and then when he went to leave, guess what? Car's dead. So now I am running with my jumper cables to wherever he is, Highway 75 and something to, which is probably the most, he's probably at the most inconvenient place to get to him because I'm sure he's like underneath the highway. But we're gonna head over there and see if we can jump a Lambo with a Lambo. It's jumping Lambos with Lambos today, bros. We'll be back. Okay, Lambros. So I think we found him. He said he is right on this exit and I'll see him. So I think I'm gonna have to like actually go past him and then back up. Because look, he's on the side of the road, right there. So we're gonna have to like get on the shoulder and like, we're gonna have to get on the shoulder and back up. Oh, this is so dangerous. These cars are coming like 100 miles an hour. Not 100, but they're going like probably 80. So here we go. Might be the last video of our lives because we're on the side of a road. Look at this guy. Evil Mercy, what happened? Did you meet the police?
I got pulled over. You know, I sat here for 30 minutes waiting on the other cop to show up. My headlights are on, bring my battery down.
Oh no, this is what happens when you got an Evil Mercy. So we're gonna hook into my battery and hook into his battery. I mean, it is packed. Oh, here comes the lift bus. Whoa, look at that flyby. You see that flyby? All right, I'll get some, I think we need to focus so we don't die, so we'll plug these suckers in and we'll be back.
Get out of here. Hoping that's what it was here, we were speeding. Oh, dang, you gotta pull up. I got your camera.
Okay, we gotta pull up a little bit. By the way, a little plug here. More merch. You can get stickers now. They'll be on the website soon. We're gonna pull up. Woo, this is sexy. What happened?
And make sure I got a ride on your car.
What, you got backwards?
Need a check. Says plus.
Yeah. What's wrong?
I don't know. Started smoking right off the bat.
Oh, it started smoking? Let's burn it up, bruh. Oh, that's why you had it hooked to the black. Yeah. He's gonna burn my car. He's gonna burn my car up.
Battery's low. That's what it was.
So we're gonna charge that sucker up. You might wanna hook that onto both sides of the battery.
No. That's the way I do it.
Apparently.
It's not my first ran down battery. Yeah, it's not my first time.
When you have a Mercy, apparently the battery dies Probably because you're in Guam for a
6
month and a
weeks.
half. Dang it.
I blame the local authorities for keeping me here for like an hour.
Yeah.
You just Google it in my car. Well, then I left my keys in with the lights on.
And can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Did you get a ticket?
No. Got a warning.
They gave you a warning. How fast were you going? Let's see how fast he was going. Did it say it on there?
I don't know. I'm getting ready to look.
Officer remarks, speed other. It doesn't say the speed.
Thank
It
God.
says highway patrol warning other.
Hey, by the way, it's the same police that pulled over Bob. And they actually know you too. They said,
Oh, right. Yeah.
the guy in the green
Oh yeah, he's been after me for a hot minute, bro. He can't get me. They've got everyone around me but me.
Yeah.
'Cause
I have no idea who that guy is.
I have a warning system. The highway patrol texts me every day with the schedules, and I just avoid them.
Let's go on the other side.
Plus, I don't speed on the Creek Turnpike, James.
Hey, I'll have you to know, this guy gets me in trouble all the time because of his speed.
No, James is like, I'll follow you because you have radar, and then he's like, bow, like 8 miles ahead of me, and I'm like, that's why I got pulled over, bro. So this thing's gonna charge up. We're gonna see what happens here. Lambo. Let's get a thumbnail. Stand over there. Jumping it. All right.
Hang on, how about this? How about this one?
We'll be back. All right, we got it started now. Now we're headed to White Glove for some more shenanigans, but that'll have to come in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Lambro Steve. That's Evil Mercy. We're on the side of the highway, and we haven't died. We'll see you in the next video.
Okay.